Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, now that we have all the instructions on how to make the perfect milkshake that's healthy in your Vitamix, let's go ahead and make one. This is one of my favorites. It's called the Cake Batter Shake. This milkshake uses the basic template that we've already discussed with just a couple add-ins and tastes just like cake. And so we're using the basic four: milk, frozen banana, ice, and sweetener, in this case, honey, with just a couple extras: vanilla extract and oats. All right, so do you remember the loading order? First, liquid, so we're gonna add 1.5 cups of almond milk, then a little bit of vanilla extract, about a tablespoon, some honey to sweeten it, about 2 tablespoons. Then we'll add our oats, because this is probably the next hardest. This is 1/4 cup. Then our frozen fruit, about 1 whole frozen banana, splash. And then last but not least, as always, ice. This is about 3/4 cup. And that's it. We'll secure the lid, start on variable speed 1, turn it up to variable speed 10, then high. We'll run it for about 45 seconds, ramp it down, and enjoy a delicious cake batter shake. Here we go. All right, there you have it. A delicious, creamy, luscious cake batter shake. Now, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this delicious drink, but when you're ready, mark this unit complete, head on over to the next where you'll be asked to get the supplies, and then after that, make one for yourself.
Hey, it's Lenny Gale with Life is No Yoke. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll get some subscriber-only benefits.
Like?
There aren't any.
Yeah, they get to be notified of our cool new videos.
That's annoying.
You're annoying.
I know.
Me too, it's fine.